Good afternoon, Ethan. It's Jack over at Anchor Cars. Really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow in relation to our Toyota Corolla. Just going to show you around the vehicle quickly. As promised, you know, it's in a great condition before you travel around. This one does have heads-up display, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera as well. Show you around the bumper corners. All seems to be in a good condition. Looking at condition of the bonnet, a very minor stone chip there. A couple of extremely minor ones, like you'd expect on any used car that exists. Looking around, we can see the alloys are in a good condition for the age, and the mileage as well. Looking around the sides of the body, don't seem to be any signs of concern at all. If we look in the boot as well, nice sizable boot for a car of this size. Sorry about that, I had a call come through, but that's a nice sizable boot. Backs of the seat seem to be in a good condition as well. Excuse the pause in the video then a moment ago, I had a little call come through. Take you around the rest of the vehicle. Both the alloys over here look really nice. If we look in the back seats, we've got the nice contrasting red stitching. The red on this car and the blacks together really does make it stand out to me. I quite like it. You've got power fold mirror as well, adjustable lumbar support. Side bolsters all seem to be in a good condition, as they do tend to show most of the wear. So you've got automatic folding mirrors. If I jump in quickly as well, start the car up. This one does have the upgraded screen to it as well. Car starts up without a complaint. We can see some of the sat nav here as well. It's got built-in sat nav. You will have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this vehicle as well. You've got a dual zone air conditioning, so you can, if you like, set it to a different temperature each side. Window heating as well, mirror heating as well. That's always a good feature. Heated seats in the front, different driving modes for the car. I tend to usually just leave cars like this in eco mode, get the best possible fuel efficiency. Nice automatic gearbox, automatic handbrake as well. You've got lane centering assist on this, I believe, as well. Adaptive cruise control, auto wipers, auto lights, auto high beam, self park assist. The list goes on, to be fair. We've got plenty of features on this one, an auto dimming mirror as well. Toyota do a nice little plexiglass cover on the SOS button, so you don't accidentally press that in the middle of the night. But yeah, overall it's in a really nice condition. After this video, I'll send you over a link to our website as well. There you'll be able to see more information about the different levels of customer care packages we offer. So we do have options for different lengths of guarantee: a 3-month 3,000 mile guarantee, a 15-month guarantee, or a lifetime guarantee. You can also see the heads-up display. It might show as flashing on the phone, but just because of the refresh rates, that's also really useful as well. Awesome. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care and have a lovely day.